Before concluding this session, we can just revise which all topics we discussed already from this chapter. Okay, in the first session, we already discussed the basic levels of questions. That is primary numbers, composite numbers, even number, odd number, then exercise questions 1 to 10. Then basic levels of questions type of coin tossing, a coin tossing, then a die throw once and all. Okay. Then next session we discussed about the questions related with cards, play cards, and when we throw a coin twice and thrice and 2 coins together, 3 coins together. Okay. Then we studied about the questions related with exactly, at least, at most, and other than, and all. That all you should understand. Okay. Then in this session, today's session, we discussed about the questions which are related with when we throw a die twice or 2 dice together. What are the possible outcomes, and some questions related with that also we discussed. Okay. Then we studied about the important board exam questions like same birthday, different birthday in leap year, non-leap year, then 53 Sundays in a leap year, in a non-leap year. These all we already discussed in this session. The last session we already discussed some more questions, that is about or, and, either or, neither nor, that all. Okay. These are main things or important things that is not sometimes in your textbook exercise, but for board exam they ask such questions. So we can predict or we can expect such questions for board exam. So you should practice well that such questions. Okay. So I gave one assignment in this session last. So you should write that questions and only the answers. No need to write the explanations. Okay. According to the mark you want to write the explanation like birthdays questions or non-leap year and leap years question, 53 Sundays, Mondays. That type of questions will come as 2 mark or 3 mark. Okay. Otherwise, other questions will come as 3 sub questions for 3 mark, 2 sub questions for 2 mark, 1 sub question for 1 mark. Okay. So no need of explanation that. That much explanation no need. So for this assignment you should write only the answer. Write the question and with write the answer. Put a hyphen and write the answer. If you have any doubt about any question, you can leave the space. Okay, then you can ask and clear the doubts, then you can write. But anyway, you should submit that assignments from the chapter triangles and this chapter probability together in your extra questions book and submit them on the reopening day itself. No need to say any excuse about that. Okay, then you want to do all the examples from this chapter as homework in your notebook backside. And one more thing is, you should copy the notes in your notebook front side. Many times I told, don't forget to copy the notes in your notebook. It's very important. Okay, write the test paper also. One test paper is given there in the last. So you should attend the test paper. Okay, then previous test papers answers also I gave. If you have any doubt, you can clear that from there. That only for today. Thank you and have a nice day.